Hi guys! Today we will be restoring a badly flaking tent fly sheet that I got super cheap used. For a flaking PU-coated tent tarp/fly sheet, the repair approach depends on how extensive the flaking is. Generally, you want to make sure the materials that you want to restore is completely dry. Clean the flakes thoroughly. To restore fly sheet coating materials, avoid using glue or anything silly. For PU materials, you will need PU-based adhesive or sealant. This is what I got for my tent. First, set up your tarp in a clean, dry, shaded area. Make sure it is fully dry before starting. Next, gently remove all loose and flaking PU coating. Use a soft brush or cloth. Do not scrub too hard. Just remove what is already coming off. Now, wash the tarp using mild soap and water. This removes dirt, oils, and residue that can prevent proper bonding. Rinse thoroughly and let it dry completely. Once dry, shake the Gear Aid tent fabric sealant well. Apply a thin, even layer directly onto the damaged PU-coated areas. Use a foam brush or applicator. Work in smooth strokes and avoid thick buildup. For larger areas, apply in sections to maintain even coverage. After application, let the tarp cure in a well-ventilated space. Do not fold or pack it. Curing usually takes around 24 hours, but full strength may take up to 48 hours, depending on humidity. Once cured, check for even coverage. If needed, apply a second thin coat. Finally, test your tarp with light water spray before using it in heavy rain conditions. With proper application, your tarp can regain waterproof protection and extend its usable life.
For the final process, add some talcum powder to prevent stickiness after the tarp has been cured for at least 24 hours. This will prevent the PU sealant that you have applied from sticking onto each other.